Take a look at this weatherproof cover for your little tyke swing. Let me show you the details. If you have a baby swing outside that's always getting dirty from the weather and the elements, I have a cover for you to check out. This comes in this cute little carrying bag with a zipper. These come in black, in gray, blue stripes, and pink stripes, which is the one that I have because we have a pink little tyke swing outside attached to our tree. So let's open this up and take a look. Here is a look at the size of it. Like I said, these were designed to fit the little Tykes brand, but this could fit most brands of swings. Just measure your swing and check out the measurements on this to see if it'll fit. But it's gonna be super easy to install. You just unzip it and place it over top of the swing. You don't have to undo the chains or ropes or anything, and then we'll zip it back up. So let's go install this and check out the features.
So like I mentioned, the install is very easy. You just lay it over top of the swing, undo the Velcro and undo the zipper. Then you'll zip it back up and Velcro it back up as well on both sides. And then there's two little drawstrings at the bottom you can pull to tighten it up. This is going to withstand your elements and your water. So this is going to be a great option for you if you need a swing cover. Check it out.